Hello, my name is Arvindan Shanmugam. I am a third year student currently studying degree in computing at the National College of Ireland. Uh, I am one of the team members in Team Olive, my other team members being Rohit and Ian, and my student ID is X18148018. And I'm here to explain the messaging part of our housing app. So, continuing from Rohit, I'll be explaining how this messaging functionality works and all of those features. And yeah, that's it. So, before I demonstrate the project, I'd like to show the codes, all the codings being used. So, as you can see, all of these files were coded to make sure this functionality works. But being the most important are the register, database connection, index, and login. Others like the remove chat, update last activity, they are all just functions being called out when necessary. Uh, Register is where obviously a user keys in information and the information is being added to the database. And database connection is where all the connectivity functions occurs, calling functions or uh, getting the information or updating, deleting, receiving, and all that. Index is obviously the home page where all of the sending message, deleting message, notifications, all of that occurs. And login is obviously the place where when a user logs in, um, he tries to gain access so that he can access the page by sending a request to the database. So, yep, this is the coding involved, and all of this will be submitted. So, before we start demonstrating the project, by the way, this is how the login page looks like. This is the database, a chat database, and there are three tables: chat message, login, and login details. Chat message being that we'll record all the message, what is the context, when it was sent, sent by whom, sent to whom, and login is obviously where we contain all the username and password, and login details is where we record the amount of time a person has been logged in, when did he logged in, how many times has been logged in, and all of the stuff. So we have set up a few accounts and it works, but for this demonstration purpose, we're going to register a new account. So let's say we Malik, and it's 987, and it's 987. As we register, we can see that we have made a registration and we can log in. So again, Malik 987, and at the same time, we are going to log in with. We're going to make another user login using the incognito mode, of course. So both are logged in, and notice that they were all offline. They were all offline in sense of they were not logged in, and but as you can see, when John Smith has logged in, you can see Malik his status being online, and the same with Malik as his status is online as well. And so yeah, now we're going to send messages. So here's a dynamic chat box, and Malik is going to have a chat with John Smith. So Malik is going to say hello, and notice that when Malik is typing, John Smith gets a notification saying that Malik is typing, which is a nice little feature so that it adds more liveliness to the functionality. And when he sends a message, he gets a notification as well. Uh, Before that, I would like to mention that this online offline status, message notification, typing, these are all called by a few functions which contain a 5-second interval. So every 5 seconds it updates uh, itself so that it stays up to date. And so yeah, John Smith has gotten a message saying hello, and as soon as he opened, within the 5-second interval, the notification goes away. So he says hello, and John Smith would like to reply back saying that hi there. And as you can see, Malik getting the same typing notification, and he send. So as you can see, John Smith, I mean Malik gets the notification saying that John Smith has sent a message, and is it hi there. So the most newest message will be at the top. Uh, so this is how the messaging works. And before we go further, I would like to mention a few things here. So remember when we created the account Malik? So yeah, it's being added here, the username. Password will be stored in a hash format, and the user ID is unique, so it auto increments by itself. And again, chat message. So the most recent messages being hello and hi there. So you can see hello and hi there being the newest messages updated to the table when they were sent. Uh, Sent by whom, sent to whom, and uh, they have their own ID as well, so that we can know chat message. If, as I say, this hi, yeah, chat message ID number 1. So this was the first message being sent. So this is the 13th message being sent in this functionality. And as you can see, there's a status here, being 0 or 2. And I'm going to explain to you right now. So as you can see, there's hello and hi there, and the status being 0. What does it mean is the messages are there, it's being stored, it's there. Let's say John Smith wants to delete hi there. He deletes it, and as you can see, at both parties the message has been removed, they get the notification. And as we refresh the database, you can see it has been changed, status has been changed to 2. So what does this mean is, if the status of a message is 0, it means it's there, it exists, you can see. But if it's 2, it means that it has been deleted, it has been removed. So yes, this is another nice little feature. And again, you can see all the time when it was sent. Even though it has been removed, you can see when it was sent and all that. So yes, this is how the messaging functionality works. And before I like to close this, before I end this presentation, sorry, I want to mention a few things. Along the project, we faced a lot of challenges, obstacles, and problems. And again, as I said earlier, uh, until now we are having current issues trying to merge all of this into a single project due to various reasons: web server, Windows, database, connectivity, functionality, compatibility, and all that. Even though this could be solved, but again, this is still new to us, especially to me. Um, I'm still in the learning curve, and uh, obviously we are still trying to uh, find out the issues and trying to solve them, and trying to make it a better project, because this project is very important to us. And obviously it's not perfect by any means, but we are proud that we have come through this far. uh, uh, so yes, as I said again, as I said earlier, we are still trying to improve this web application by improving on the functionality, connectivity, and all sort of stuff. Hopefully, we will make this a better product as soon as possible. And the challenges we have faced is, yes, coding errors and connectivity issues, and problem trying to deploy them all together, and it's still there. But we are trying to rectify all those issues, and we are happy of the result so far, even though we are a bit undersatisfied. And again, but still we have managed to gain a lot of experience and knowledge, and more about time management, and how to plan things earlier. And this project this project has definitely been an example. And yeah, hope this will be a stepping stone for better execution, and better involvement in projects in the future. And yeah, that's it from me. And this is Team Olive with our housing app web application. Uh, yep, that's it from me. Sorry about that. Yes, thanks for watching this video, and have a great day.